Welcome to Organic Living and Kitchen. Today I'll be frying some fresh zucchini. Zucchini is a tasteless vegetable, so I'll season it with some garlic and spices. This is a perfect appetizer or a snack. Please watch till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Here we are picking some fresh zucchini from my garden. Make sure your zucchini is not too big nor too small, about 10 to 14 inches long. For this recipe, I'm going to need 2 medium-sized zucchinis, sea salt. I have a pepper grinder. I'll use some black pepper, some garlic, and eggs. Ingredients will be posted below the video. Using a knife, slice 1/4-inch pieces and place them into a bowl. Break open 5 eggs. I'm using farm fresh eggs. Using a garlic press, press your garlic into the eggs. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt. For this recipe, I was just using 1 teaspoon. Using a pepper grinder, I'm just going to add a smidge of black grounded pepper. I'm going to whisk all the ingredients together till they're well combined. You're also welcome to use your favorite seasonings as you wish. Now we're going to fry our zucchini by adding olive oil onto a skillet. I'm going to put my zucchini into I'm just going to using all-purpose white flour, shaking off excessive flour, and putting it into my egg mix and placing it onto my preheated frying pan. We're going to repeat this process till our pan is full of zucchinis. I'll fry each side for about 2 to 3 minutes or till golden brown. Go ahead and flip your zucchini over onto the other side and fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes. When my zucchini is ready, I'm going to place it on paper towel to absorb any extra oil from the zucchini. Go ahead and repeat the process again. First, you place it in the flour, the egg mix, and back onto the frying pan. You may need to add oil as you go. Go ahead and flip when your zucchini is nice and golden brown. Now your zucchini is all done and ready to be served. Your zucchini is going to look golden brown, juicy, and tasty. There's plenty to share. Please enjoy this appetizer with your family and friends. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you back soon. God bless you.